Smart Window by Drutex. The Smart Window by Drutex, a Polish leader in the window industry, offers a revolutionary new way to integrate interactive surfaces into modern homes. This innovative product transforms a traditional window into a touchscreen, adding multiple functions to the glass beyond its usual role. Users can check the weather, call a taxi, or even order food directly from their window. One of the key advantages of the Smart Window is its ability to save space. You can watch videos directly on the window, eliminating the need for a separate TV. Additionally, the transparency of the window can be adjusted via a slider, removing the need for curtains or blinds. In work environments, the Smart Window can be used for presentations, viewing documents, and displaying graphics. Retail stores can also benefit by placing advertisements directly on their windows, offering a new way to engage customers. The Smart Window by Drutex is a game-changing innovation for homes and businesses, combining functionality and cutting-edge technology in one sleek design. BenQ GV50 Ceiling Projector. The BenQ GV50 is a projector specifically crafted for those who love watching movies from the comfort of their bed. With the ability to rotate vertically by 135 degrees, it can project directly onto the ceiling, providing a unique and relaxing cinema experience while lying down. Its stable base is designed to securely rest on a bedside table, offering flexible picture positioning that suits everyone in the bed. In terms of features, the BenQ GV50 includes a night shift mode that automatically adjusts colors to reduce eye strain during late-night viewing. The Ceiling Cinema Sound mode ensures optimal audio, whether you're sitting upright or lying flat. Additionally, you can stream content from platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney Plus with a projection size that goes up to 120 inches, delivering an immersive movie experience. Powered by a battery that lasts 150 minutes, it offers decent portability for short movie sessions. All of this innovation comes at a price of $800, making it an appealing option for those seeking convenience and comfort in their home cinema setup. ASUS Step Lift. ASUS has introduced a revolutionary step lift designed to enhance accessibility in a smart and compact way. Unlike traditional escalators, which can be bulky and require large spaces, the ASUS Step Lift offers a streamlined solution that fits seamlessly into almost any building. It is capable of carrying up to 150 kilograms and doesn't require significant structural modifications, making it an ideal choice for locations where a traditional escalator or elevator might not be feasible. One of the standout features is its smart chain system. When multiple floors are involved, the platforms work in coordination. As one moves, the next one automatically comes closer, creating a smooth and continuous flow. This innovative mechanism ensures efficiency while maintaining simplicity in design. While ASUS has patented this unique concept, the pricing details remain undisclosed for now. However, the ASUS Step Lift promises to be a game-changer in space-efficient mobility for buildings of all types. Dolle Boston Modular Staircase. The Dolle Boston is a modular staircase designed by specialists from the Danish company Dolle, offering a practical solution for homeowners looking for an affordable and easy-to-install stair system. This lightweight staircase is engineered for quick assembly, taking just a few hours and requiring minimal tools. Its modular design allows for flexibility in both style and functionality, making it suitable for various home interiors without the complexity of traditional stairs. The Dolle Boston provides a sleek, modern look without the hefty cost or labor-intensive installation of heavier staircase systems, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts or those seeking efficient home upgrades. Maytronics Air Cover 300. The Maytronics Air Cover 300 is a sleek, retractable, slatted pool cover tailored for pools up to 81 square meters with a maximum width of 6.5 meters. The creators focused on merging functionality with style, earning the product the International Red Dot Design Award. Customers can fully customize the type and color of the slats to fit their preferences, ensuring the cover suits both existing and newly constructed pools. It can be controlled easily via remote or through a mobile app, offering convenience and seamless operation. Pricing is available upon request. SEQUA Stair Lights. The SEQUA Stair Lights by the German company. SEQUA offer a simple yet effective upgrade to enhance both the safety and comfort of your home. This automatic stair lighting system is versatile and easy to install on any existing staircase. The system features LED strips placed in aluminum profiles attached to the back of each step. Alternatively, small lights can be mounted on the wall near the steps. Equipped with motion sensors, the LEDs light up instantly when a foot touches a step, providing clear visibility even in complete darkness. This automatic illumination not only eliminates the need to turn on lights when moving around the house at night, but also reduces energy costs. Plus, it ensures a quiet trip downstairs, minimizing disturbances to others in the house when getting a late-night glass of water. Shipping Container Pool. This innovative shipping container pool is a practical and stylish alternative to traditional swimming pools. An Australian company discovered that by lining the inside of a shipping container with fiberglass, a durable composite material, they could create a fully functional and visually appealing pool. The end result is a completely standalone pool that arrives at the customer's location fully assembled, complete with decorative elements, a cover, and plumbing fixtures. Installation is simple. Connect the pool to a water supply and fill it with water. Among the various models available, the 20-foot container pool is particularly popular. It features a ladder for easy access and a front door to prevent small children and pets from accidentally entering. The filtration system and piping are discreetly hidden beneath the ladder and can be accessed via 2 hinged doors, ensuring a clean and streamlined look. This pool offers a convenient, ready-made swimming solution that combines comfort, practicality, and safety. Amerimax Flex Drain Pro. The Amerimax Flex Drain Pro is a corrugated drainage pipe with a 10-centimeter diameter available in lengths of up to 15 meters. Known for its durability, it can withstand pressures of up to 4.7 atmospheres and boasts a 30% higher load-bearing capacity compared to other similar pipes, making it a valuable purchase at just $14. A perfect complement to the Flex Drain Pro is the Stealth Flow blocks, designed to help divert water from the downspout away from the house. These blocks are flat and discreet, making them easy to hide under mulch or along pathways. Each block measures 152 centimeters in length and is priced at $650. Prickler 45 Container. The Prickler 45 Container Prickler is a practical and versatile solution designed to deter unwanted visitors such as birds, cats, foxes, and even humans. Marketed as the longest fence toppers available, each strip measures 50 centimeters, and if you need more coverage, a single strip can be cut into 3 segments, providing a total length of 1.5 meters. Constructed from durable polypropylene, Prickler 45 strips are UV and frost resistant, ensuring longevity in various weather conditions. These spikes stand at 1.5 centimeters high, making them effective without being overly obtrusive. Installation is simple. The strips can be glued in place, making them a convenient option, even if you lack traditional fastening methods. Priced at approximately $9 per strip, Prickler 45 offers an affordable and reliable way to secure your property from unwanted intrusions, providing a discreet yet effective barrier. Katrick Technologies Wind Turbines. Katrick Technologies has developed a unique approach to wind energy generation with a distinct wind turbine design that resembles a honeycomb structure. The design incorporates smart aerodynamic profiles that transform wind energy into mechanical vibrations, which are then converted into electricity. This innovative turbine can generate power even at relatively low wind speeds of around 10 meters per second. Each turbine is capable of producing 41 watts of power, making it a promising solution for small-scale energy needs. The goal of Katrick Technologies is to further develop this concept into a commercially viable model, offering an alternative to traditional wind turbines with a design that emphasizes efficiency and aesthetic appeal. The company's efforts could revolutionize the market by providing a more adaptable and visually appealing option for wind energy generation.